Okay, now last two classes I tried to let them draw the picture and discover the theorem, but it didn't work out too well because people don't draw very well.
I don't get it.
So I'm gonna do it on the board and y'all can watch.
Cool.
Sounds good.
And hopefully it works out.
Wait, so we don't draw or we don't write anything?
Well, you can start with this.
It's like time. I can't keep time. Oh.
I actually went to bed late last night and I'm not as tired as when I go to bed.
I had
early.
2 hours of English homework.
Yeah.
We had to cheer for 3 hours last night.
Yeah, we have 2 hours.
For what?
The girls and
Basketball?
boys basketball game.
Never.
Did you finish it, Kristen?
All right.
Was the quiz hard?
No, I got 110 on. So you don't want us to try?
No, just pay attention.
Our question say yes to the question that he knew that we wouldn't get, but the people who read Spark Nerds got it because Spark Nerds, like, said it. But if you read it, you wouldn't understand. It's like, why didn't you like him? Oh, because you knew that she was pregnant. I was like, I didn't say she was pregnant. He was like, the people who read
Spark though. Well,
Yeah,
that reminds me
people
of
in
the
Spark
read
Nerds.
Spark.
That's what it said.
Look at that, Mr. Thibodeau trying to save us.
Don't watch her videos.
That sounds like doing it.
I love Mr. Thibodeau.
That's
Yeah, he's a
very
good
colorful.
I'm indifferent.
Hey, we're recording.
We are?
That is true.
All right.
Let it be known that we do get indifferent.
Okay. We've looked at this and figured out how to find angle measures based on arc measures. Everything we've done so far with circles has been angle measures, degree measures. Now we're going to do lengths. Not the circumference of the circle, but lengths of these segments. These are two chords crossing inside of a circle, okay? Does everybody agree they cross inside of a circle?
Yes.
All right. Let's see if I can find a tool that I need.
That's so cool.
Okay. Does everybody agree that there are 4 segments that have been created where these two lines cross each other?
I agree.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, threw a little bit of, what is that? Spanish. That's good. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure to the best of my little ability each of those segments. All right?
Tool.
That's about 2. That's rather 2.
I'm not in green on green.
Well, yeah, that's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, crazy. You know better than that.
Ooh, we colorful.
I'm getting a headache.
That's what I'm screaming.
7.
7.
Actually, it's not quite 7, but we'll just go with
No,
7.
not green. You like green, don't you?
I actually do.
I like all the honors. Like
Because
Oh,
that's about 2.
I should be speaking my French.
Oh,
That's about 7.
green is vet.
7.
Oh, we can make
Oh
it 7.
gosh, they got the same ones.
It's not actually.
Nice.
Okay, this was actually.
That's 6.
Let me correct. This was 6 and 15/16, and this is 6 and 14/16. Okay.
Why?
Watch it.
All right. Regardless, I didn't mean for them to be that close together. Anyway, if we multiply
Oh, that's so confused.
2, let's just round to the nearest whole number. 2 times 7, what does that give you?
14.
14. And if I multiply this 2 times 7, what does it give me?
14.
So I see that the product of these two
They're
is equal to the
That
product
means
of these
the
two.
lines are equal.
Well, let's see if that's always true. Let's try to make it to where it's not crisscrossing the same. See if we can move this little line a little bit.
It'll always be the
It's a theorem.
It just says so, yeah.
And you know French today.
Do you know the I want to pick
All right. Shh.
We all want to pick
Okay, this
Four.
is
5.
4.5.
4.5.
Sure, that's 5.
Girl, no, it's not.
Wow,
Shout
it's
what
all
you looking at? That's a ruler, yeah.
Okay, okay.
4.5.
That's 4.5.
4.5. They're bisexual.
Well, it's middle. No, it's not.
You got that judge
That's 4. Loud.
It's actually about 3 and 15/16, so we'll just round to 4.
Oh, it
Close
doesn't matter.
enough.
Doesn't matter.
That
Meet
one's
the
not
bar.
same.
And this one is
5.5.
5.5.
okay.
Holy
All right, so let's multiply.
Yeah.
Let's multiply 5.5 times 4. Well, let's multiply 4.5 times 4.5.
That's
Which is 4.5 squared.
22.
Wow.
It's pretty close. My measurements aren't right on the dot, but it's pretty close, okay? But what we're going to see is that by drawing these things, wait, I need that. If you connect here and here,
Similar triangles.
yes, you do.
Gosh darn it.
You have created, where are you right there? Similar triangles with proportional sides
Darn it.
is what we've created, okay? And if you recall, when we set up a proportion, don't we cross multiply
Yes.
and the products are equal to each other?
Oh, well.
All right, well, here's your first theorem. When two chords intersect inside of a circle, which they have to because chords are inside of a circle, the product of the segments of one chord, so the two little pieces of one chord multiplied together, is equal to the two pieces of the other chord multiplied together.
Has anybody asked you about the students in your video?
Yes, please draw the circle. Because then the fraction will make the little a times b equals c times d will make sense.
Fantastic. Cool.
Okay, if Lauren's done talking,
Sorry.
let's see exactly how we get this. Okay, if I draw these two triangles, looking at the two in the middle, the little bow tie looking thing, are these two angles congruent to each other?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why?
Vertical angles.
Okay, now, is this angle